What if one drone could lift heavy gear, fight strong winds, and film cinematic shots like a pro? Meet the future of industrial flight. Introducing the AceCore Noah, a powerhouse industrial drone built for serious aerial missions. Its rugged carbon fiber frame carries payloads up to 20 kilograms while staying incredibly stable in the air. 6 high-efficiency 200-watt motors and massive 28-inch propellers give it the strength to handle tough winds and light rain with confidence. With flight times reaching up to 60 minutes, professionals can inspect, capture, and create without interruption. Tool-free boom assembly and quick-swap shark fin batteries ensure rapid deployment in the field. Plus, retractable landing gear unlocks smooth 360-degree gimbal views, delivering precise cinematic aerial data that engineers and creators can truly rely on. Imagine holograms floating in real space. No screens, no glasses, just pure futuristic visuals. Meet the 3D volumetric hologram display by Voxon Photonics, a revolutionary system changing how we experience digital content. These massive VX displays generate true 360-degree aerial visuals that can be seen from every angle with the naked eye. Using rapidly spinning LED arrays and advanced voxel rendering, they fill entire volumes of space with vibrant, interactive holograms. Capable of producing over 100 million voxels per second, the technology delivers stunning detail and photorealistic depth. From immersive gaming arenas to futuristic advertising and scientific visualization, volumetric displays transform flat screens into dynamic sci-fi experiences that captivate audiences and redefine the future of visual storytelling.
What if a robot could feel expressive, move naturally, and become part of your daily life? Introducing Fauna Robotics Sprout, a next-generation humanoid robot built to bring intelligent interaction into real environments. With 29 degrees of freedom, expressive LED eyebrows, and a full 360-degree face display, Sprout communicates emotions while moving smoothly and naturally. It can walk, kneel, dance, and safely grip objects using compliant motors designed for human-friendly collaboration. Powered by advanced stereo vision, time-of-flight sensing, and a high-performance AI processor, Sprout understands its surroundings and responds intelligently. A soft exterior and swappable battery support hours of real-world use. From research labs to family homes, Sprout unlocks exciting possibilities for embodied AI learning. A robot vacuum that climbs stairs and jumps obstacles? This is smart cleaning reimagined. Meet the Roborock Saros Rover, a groundbreaking robotic vacuum built for true multi-floor freedom. Its unique wheel-leg hybrid design lets it climb stairs, cross high thresholds, and glide over small obstacles without stopping. Powered by intelligent StarSight 2.0 AI, dual-flash LiDAR, and advanced 3D mapping, it recognizes hundreds of household objects and navigates with precision. With powerful 19,000 Pascal suction, the Rover delivers deep, consistent cleaning even on uneven surfaces. From spiral staircases to thick carpets, it keeps moving and vacuuming without interruption. Saros Rover transforms traditional smart cleaning into a fully mobile, next-generation home automation experience for modern living. Imagine a smart robot that follows you on adventures and captures every epic moment. Meet the Rovar X3, a futuristic AI-powered robotic companion built for outdoor exploration and creative fun. Standing tall and weighing around 15 kilograms, it smoothly travels across grass, gravel, steps, and even shallow streams with its innovative dual-wheel system. Using advanced multimodal AI, smart cameras, face recognition, and gait tracking, it follows its owner hands-free with impressive accuracy. With up to 6 hours of battery life, Rovar X3 can sing, dance, and capture photos or videos on simple voice commands. Designed for safe, supervised use and light gear carrying, it transforms everyday adventures into exciting, high-tech experiences for families.
What if you could build your own self-driving robot and master real AI skills at home? Introducing MentorPi, a powerful open-source robotic car kit designed to unlock the future of AI learning and autonomous innovation. Driven by the high-performance Raspberry Pi 5, it delivers real-time navigation, intelligent decision-making, and advanced robotics control. Choose Mecanum wheels for smooth omnidirectional motion or an Ackerman chassis for realistic driving dynamics. Equipped with TOF sensors, depth cameras, and high-torque servos, it supports slam mapping, obstacle avoidance, and smart path planning. With YOLO vision for traffic detection and OpenCV tracking features, MentorPi turns theory into hands-on experience, empowering students, researchers, and creators to explore next-generation robotics confidently. The next AI revolution isn't coming, it's already powering up inside futuristic superchips. Introducing Nvidia's accelerated chip platform, a groundbreaking leap designed to redefine the future of AI computing. Featuring the powerful Vera CPU, next-generation Reuben GPU, ultra-fast NVLink 6 interconnect, ConnectX-9 SuperNIC, Bluefield 4 DPU, and Spectrum 6 Ethernet, this ecosystem delivers unmatched performance at scale. It can reduce AI inference costs by up to 10 times while cutting training demands dramatically, unlocking faster and smarter operations. Built to power agentic AI and advanced reasoning, the platform is already transforming cloud environments and industrial systems. With global partner launches approaching, NVIDIA's new architecture is set to drive the next era of intelligent technology worldwide.
What if a humanoid robot could clean your entire living room in minutes, completely on its own? Meet Helix 02 by Figure AI, a next-generation humanoid robot redefining smart home automation. Powered by a single advanced neural network that processes raw visual data, it understands cluttered environments and reacts with precision. In real-world demonstrations, Helix 02 autonomously organizes living spaces in minutes, picking up objects, wiping surfaces, folding laundry, and sorting items into storage. Its full-body coordination enables smooth bimanual lifting, careful navigation, and even operating household tools like remote controls. Trained on large datasets for real-world intelligence, this futuristic assistant shows how homes of tomorrow could stay perfectly organized with minimal human effort.